Why is it that almost everyone thinks of bamboo as the ultimate living fence? We see it in architectural magazines and assume it's the perfect way to block out neighbors. But what if I told you that bamboo has a massive hidden dark side? In fact, in many places, planting it is legally restricted, and home associations are outright banning it. Today we are going to break down this illusion. There are plants that grow just as fast, look incredibly beautiful, and won't turn your property into a disaster zone. If you want to block out your neighbors quickly, gain ultimate privacy, and completely avoid root nightmares, you need a safe alternative. Stay tuned because some plants on this list can skyrocket by several meters in just a single season, giving you total seclusion without the legal drama. Let's be honest about the nightmare that is running bamboo. It is one of the most aggressive plants on Earth. Its root systems, known as rhizomes, can punch right through asphalt, crack concrete pathways, destroy lawns, and invade your neighbor's pristine yard. Before you know it, you're looking at angry neighbors, costly property damage, and potentially heavy fines depending on where you live. To keep bamboo under control, you have to install expensive root barriers and constantly monitor the perimeter. Most people only choose it because they don't know any better. But why sign up for a lifetime of yard maintenance and stress when you can get the exact same amount of privacy without the absolute chaos? Before we look at the alternatives, let's define what makes a living fence truly perfect. We evaluated our contenders using a strict set of rules. First, growth speed. We want fast results, not a 10-year wait. Second, foliage density, because a thin hedge won't hide anything. Third, low maintenance. It shouldn't require a gardening degree to keep alive. And finally, it has to be property safe, legal, weather-resistant, and visually stunning all year round. Let's dive into our list, starting with the fastest options. Number 1 is the Leyland cypress. This evergreen is an absolute rocket, shooting up by nearly a meter or 3 feet every single year. It creates a thick, solid wall that blocks both noise and nosy neighbors. Unlike bamboo, it stays exactly where you plant it and handles cold winters brilliantly. But here is an interesting fact. It needs proper space to grow, or it can get too wide for tight lots. Next up is the Thuja green giant. This is the darling of modern landscaping, and for good reason. It grows incredibly fast, thrives in almost any soil, and is highly resistant to pests and deer. Most people don't know this, but it naturally keeps a neat, uniform shape, meaning you barely have to touch it with shears to keep it looking perfect. Third is privet. If you want a classic, dense English-style hedge, this is your best bet. It grows rapidly and can handle heavy pruning, allowing you to shape it into a literal green wall. The unexpected plus: it produces beautiful, fragrant white flowers in the spring, though it does drop its leaves in colder regions. Fourth on our list is a clever workaround: clumping bamboo. If you absolutely love the aesthetic of bamboo but dread the destruction, this is the only safe choice. Unlike its aggressive cousin, clumping bamboo grows in tight, predictable circles. It won't invade the neighborhood, but it still gives you that tropical, fast-growing screen. Fifth is cherry laurel. This plant features large, glossy green leaves that reflect sunlight beautifully, making your yard feel like a luxury resort. It grows surprisingly fast, handles full shade, and is tough enough to withstand harsh conditions. But here's a mini nuance. Its berries and leaves are toxic to pets, so keep that in mind if you have curious dogs. Sixth is Photinia. This plant is famous for its striking red accent colors. It grows rapidly into a dense hedge and adds a vibrant splash of color to your property line. It loves sunshine and warmth, making it an excellent choice if you live in a hotter climate. Seventh is arborvitae, specifically the smaller varieties. While not as massive as the green giant, it is the perfect solution for tight spaces and smaller yards. It creates a neat, elegant, and dense evergreen wall that stays green 12 months a year with almost zero maintenance. Eighth is wax myrtle. This is a fantastic native alternative for coastal or southern regions. It is highly resistant to salt spray, drought, and poor soil. It grows extremely fast, and the best part is that its leaves release a wonderful, spicy fragrance whenever you brush past it. Ninth is pyracantha, also known as firethorn. If you want privacy and security, this is the ultimate plant. It grows fast and features sharp thorns that create an impenetrable barrier against intruders. On top of that, it produces stunning bright orange or red berries in the fall. 10th is the Italian cypress. This is the perfect option for a sleek Mediterranean look. It grows tall and narrow like a green pillar, making it ideal for tight spaces along fences or driveways. It loves the heat and gives your home an instant upscale architectural feel. 11th is forsythia. If you don't mind a deciduous hedge, this plant offers a spectacular reward. It grows rapidly and bursts into a vibrant wall of bright yellow flowers early in the spring, before any other leaves even appear. It's an incredible way to start the gardening season. 12th is red-tip photinia. Very similar to standard photinia, this variety is prized for its dramatic bright red new growth. It creates a thick, dense barrier very quickly, but remember this important detail: it prefers good air circulation to prevent leaf spot disease. And finally, number 13, the hybrid willow. This is the absolute champion of speed. It can grow an astonishing 2 to 3 meters in a single year. If you need total privacy by the end of this season, this is your plant. It also loves wet soils, making it perfect for areas with poor drainage. So, how do you choose the right one for your yard? Don't make the mistake of chasing speed alone. If you live in a cold, snowy climate, stick to the Thuja green giant or Leyland cypress. If you deal with intense heat and drought, the Italian cypress or wax myrtle will serve you much better. For tiny yards, opt for narrow or compact plants like arborvitae. If you want zero work, pick something that stops growing at a manageable height so you aren't stuck pruning every weekend. Even the fastest growing hedge can be completely ruined by a bad start. The biggest mistake people make is planting them too close together, trying to get an instant wall. This starves the plants of light and nutrients, causing the bottom branches to die off and leaving you with gaps. Always check the recommended spacing. Also, failing to trim the tops during the first year is a trap. Light pruning early on actually forces the plant to bush out and become denser. Finally, make sure you water deeply at the roots rather than doing frequent shallow waterings. To sum it all up, bamboo is far from your only choice for a fast, living privacy screen. As we've seen today, there are plenty of safer, more reliable, and incredibly beautiful alternatives. A great living fence should elevate your property, shield you from the world, and give you peace of mind, not land you in a legal dispute with your neighbors. Sometimes the best solutions are the ones everyone else overlooks. What would you choose for your yard instead of bamboo? Do you have any experience with the plants on our list? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Your insights could help someone else save their backyard. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next episode. Thanks for watching and see you next time.